Hi traders, it's Ben Ngoo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just want to like share with you guys um this account I passed in one day. Actually passed this verification in one day. Now you can see there are 3 days 3 days gone, but so it's actually passed on Friday because uh, yeah, just passed on Friday. So I want to show you guys I want to tell you guys the whole reason behind all this. Now, first of all, I took a 20K challenge just because my community members, like I get some messages like traders telling me, oh, they can't afford to get the 100K or 200K account, it's too expensive, blah blah blah. And I try to let them know that if you are consistently profitable, you don't necessarily need to get a 200K account before you start really making gains. You can actually scale up from as low as 10K. I just can't trade a 10K account, but you can start from like 10K, 20K, and the profits from that you could get like a 200K account. Like it makes sense that way. You understand? I'm currently funded 200K. So after this, I can't really take a 200K challenge again. So the profits from this, I'll take a 100K account, a 100K challenge account. So that would be like 320K funded with MFF. So that's just it. So the traders like can actually see that okay, you can actually do this because you have to like practice what you preach. You understand? You have to practice what you preach. What you preach. You can actually be teaching traders how to get funded, and you can't and how to scale up, and you can't even get funded and scale up. So that's just the way it is. So I actually passed this on Friday with a single trade. So I kind of like increased my risk a little bit. Didn't really take the traditional 1%, kind of like increased it a little bit just because I really wanted to just get done with this as soon as possible because I know I don't really, lately I'm not be getting a lot of setups, probably like 2 trades in a week. My risk reward is kind of like 1 to 3, sometimes could target a little bit higher, probably like 1 to 3.5 ish. It all depends on what I see. So taking like a 1 to 3 trade with like a 1.6 risk to reward, 1.6 risk, you could actually get 5% in just one trade. So there's nothing too fancy about this. So let me just refresh it so you know this was actually refreshed. So you don't think oh I did some shady things here. So that's just it. Um past one day my the challenge of this I didn't pass it in one day, kind of like took a couple of days, took 3 trading days, not 3 days but 3 trading days. So I had to play 0.01 trades for this. So that's just the way it is. Simple things. You just need to know how to use your maths in your favor. If like on my funded account, I can't take a trade with 1.6% risk. Makes no sense. Okay. So I kind of like reduce my risk a little bit because it's funded, it's actual money. But this is just a challenge. Like the profits here, they are not yours. So you just have to like get the target. So you have to do what you can do to get the target. If you know you have like a 70% win rate and you don't really get a lot of trades, you could actually risk 2%. You understand? So you don't have to stick with 0.5%. Those are for traders that trade a lot and have very low win rates. So work with your statistics, work with your maths. That's just the way it is. So my strategy I use in trading, obviously, like if you watch my previous video trade breakdowns, you see the way I trade. I actually was planning on breaking down the trade I took, so you guys could actually see how I trade. But it's still the same concept with what I've been posting for the past like 3, 4 videos. So it doesn't really make any sense. Just show you guys this. If you really want to see, you could actually watch other videos. Okay, the previous videos I posted, and you see how I trade. Okay, I'm actually really I kind of like look for those sniper entries, not really sniper ish, but when I mean sniper entries, like use the lower time frames to really get a tight stop loss just so I can get a good risk to reward. I don't get trades all the time because the market can't really provide me with opportunities all the time, but at least a week I should see a trade or two. And imagine having like two profitable trades with 1 to 3 risk to reward. You could actually make 6% in a week. So with two opportunities, three opportunities in a week, I'm good to go. Could easily make 9, 10%. So you don't necessarily have to follow the majority. Just do what you can do and what you know, and do it well. Okay. So don't feel, oh, I passed this, I took this challenge, this verification, and I passed it in one day. Like combine the challenge and verification was like 5 days, 5 trading days, or 4 trading days, I guess. Doesn't necessarily mean you should try to like do that. No. I also have like failed challenges like over the years. I haven't really failed any challenge in a very long time. But like then still like I failed a couple. So um don't think like it's all rosy. No, we all have our high and lows as traders. So just get off social media, work with what you know, work with what works for you. Look at your statistics before you take any challenge or verification. Don't go with general public. If you take like one trade a week and you know your win rate is so high, you could risk more than usual. Okay, you are not trading this account for like profit reasons. You are trading for target, like to meet the target. So you have to be flexible with it, very intelligent with it. That's the only way you can get this past. That's just the way it is. Like my challenge, I kind of like did crazy things there. I took first trade 1%, I made 3%. Next trade, I took like 1.68 or 1.7% trade, and I made 5. So it was just like 2 trades, and that was it. You understand? I had to just play. If it was a risk, if the second trade was a loss, then I'll have to get back to start risking 1%. That's just the way it is. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then so be it. You keep doing it till it works, provided you know your statistics backs it. So I think I'm talking too much in this. So hope you guys could actually learn a thing or two from this and all that. So see you guys in my next video. So next video will most likely be a breakdown video. Then until I get the first profit split from this, which I'll share with you guys. Then from there, the next challenge, which will be 100K, because since I can't take more than 100K, if it was possible to like take a 150K challenge, I would have taken it, but trading 2 accounts at the same time, no, not for me. Take 100K, and that's just it. Okay. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe, share. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.